imagine a sky full of them, what it must have looked like, and how imposing that must have looked and sounded like. I would have liked to have seen it.
And as we go for now something else from the 30s and 40s, the Bristol Blenheim Mark 1. Manufactured in 1934. Powered by two Bristol Mercury radial piston engines, rated at 905 horsepower. Flying today for you in the colour scheme of the 23 Squadron. So the Bristol Blenheim Mark 1, a truly unique British aircraft. As a type, the aircraft's history is long and formative and an important milestone in the history of British aviation. Designed as a small airliner in the early 30s by Frank Barnwell, the chief designer of the Bristol Aircraft Company. It was funded by Lord Rothermere, who named it Britain's first, and it proved much faster than the latest biplane fighters with a speed of over 300 miles an hour